Looks like about the same. Usually the second pull. Get a little heat in it and the power might taper off, but there's the first run. I know I saw that, 473.
Yeah, 473.
473.
On the Mustang Dyno.
You know,
is nuts.
On the Mustang Dyno, that's it. They add 10 or 12% to that for something comparable to Dyno Jet figures. This graph will eventually show us that once they get it all worked out. But you know, these Gen 3s, you can't argue with them. This is the 85 car tuned, you know, long tubes, and you know, cold air intake. And there you have it. You can see close to. They're saying estimated Dyno Jet is about 520 or something like that. This is one bad machine, guys. Don't mess with that one. She's bad to the bone. Time we were set to 7,200 RPM. All right, well, we got 476 horsepower out of this. That's not bad for a Cobra Jet package that does not have cams. Usually the cams are recommended with the Cobra Jet intake, but this car made just as much power on this dyno as another Cobra Jet car did that had cams. So this thing is pretty impressive, and just goes to show you what a good tuner can do for you. Here's a picture of the graph. Showing 524 horsepower. That green line is the estimated Dyno Jet. You see that, guys? Over 500 horse. Estimated Dyno Jet out of this car. One bad, nice looking car. Okay guys, so what we're looking at here is a full bolt-on car, okay? It's not on the boost, but she's got a Cobra Jet intake manifold, PMOS, cold air intake, long tubes, and it's running stage 3 cams. This is I think it's an automatic car. Is this an automatic car? It's an automatic. So it's a 10-speed car, running on the 85. This thing, you know, NA should be putting down some pretty good numbers. We've seen some pretty impressive numbers. We had another car in here a little while ago, and we're going to see how this one compares to that one. That thing revs out. Okay, that time we only took it to about 164 miles an hour. It appears to have made 500 horsepower again. Whoa! 507 horsepower. You nailed it. You killed it. That is insane to have those kind of numbers on a Mustang dyno. Easily 550 horsepower on a Dyno Jet. People argue with me when I say that, but it's true. We know this dyno. We know it runs low. Track times prove it. We got to see this car at the track. Okay. There's the dyno. That's what we got. There's the, well, they still got to get that straightened out. But yeah, I mean, this full bolt-on Cobra Jet car with cams, the 85, long tubes, all the goodies. Put down between 500 and 550 horsepower, depending on what numbers you want to look at. Okay, the green line is estimated Dyno Gt. You can see it's over 500, about 550. And there's the car, man. Impressive. Oh, and listen to that engine rumble. Bad to the bone. You can't argue with these Coyotes. 550 horsepower, NA. Listen to this thing.